What if the next coworker in your office, the next worker in a factory, or even the next delivery driver was not human? In 2026, artificial intelligence is evolving faster than anyone predicted. Machines are no longer just tools. They are learning, thinking, and now they are starting to walk among us. Companies around the world are racing to build the first true humanoid workforce, and leading this race is tech billionaire Elon Musk. But the real question is, are we ready for what comes next? For decades, robots existed only in factories. They were powerful, but limited. They could repeat tasks, but they could not think. That changed with the arrival of artificial intelligence. AI systems began learning from massive amounts of data. They started recognizing patterns, understanding language, and even making decisions. Suddenly, robots were no longer just machines. They were becoming intelligent assistants. One of the most talked about creations today is the humanoid robot called Tesla Optimus. Designed by engineers at Tesla, this robot is built to perform tasks that humans normally do: walking, lifting objects, organizing items, even assisting in factories. According to Elon Musk, these robots could eventually replace dangerous, repetitive jobs. And one day, they might even work inside our homes. The global economy is facing a major challenge: a shortage of workers. Many industries struggle to find people willing to do physically demanding jobs. Warehouses, factories, construction sites. These jobs are essential, but difficult. Humanoid robots could solve this problem. Companies are investing billions of dollars into AI robotics. Major tech leaders like NVIDIA and OpenAI are developing advanced AI systems capable of controlling machines in the real world. The vision is simple. Imagine a robot that can learn any task by watching humans, stacking boxes, cleaning rooms, delivering packages, cooking food, all powered by artificial intelligence. But building a robot that moves like a human is one of the hardest engineering challenges ever attempted. With every technological breakthrough comes a new fear. What happens when machines become smarter than us? Many experts warn that powerful AI could create unpredictable consequences. Some researchers believe AI could one day outperform humans in almost every task: decision-making, strategy, problem-solving, even creativity. And if these AI systems control physical robots, the impact could be enormous. Factories could run entirely without humans. Delivery networks could become fully automated. Entire industries could transform overnight. But there is also a darker concern. What if AI systems make decisions we cannot control? Even tech leaders like Elon Musk have warned about the risks of artificial intelligence. Because once machines become truly autonomous, stopping them might not be easy. Despite the fears, many experts believe humanoid robots could improve life dramatically. But the threat isn't just about a sci-fi scenario of robots taking over. The more immediate concern is economic disruption. As AI and humanoid robots become more capable, they're not just replacing manual labor on factory floors. We're talking about white-collar jobs: accountants, paralegals, even journalists and software developers. The very professions we thought were safe are now facing the prospect of automation. What happens to a society where millions of skilled workers are suddenly displaced? How do we retrain an entire generation for jobs that might not even exist yet? Beyond the economic impact, we face a darker, more existential threat: the misuse of this powerful technology. Imagine autonomous weapons systems, so-called slaughter bots, programmed to make life or death decisions on the battlefield without any human intervention. The potential for escalation and catastrophic error is immense. Or consider the privacy implications. A world filled with humanoid robots is a world blanketed in sensors, collecting data on our every move, every conversation. In the wrong hands, this network could become the most powerful surveillance tool ever created, eroding personal freedom and enabling unprecedented levels of social control. This leads to one of the biggest challenges for developers: the alignment problem. How do we ensure that a superintelligent AI's goals are aligned with human values? It's not as simple as programming "do no harm." What does harm even mean to a machine that doesn't feel pain or empathy? A poorly defined objective could lead to disastrous, unintended consequences. This is the core of AI safety research, building safeguards to prevent an AI from optimizing for a goal in a way that is catastrophic for humanity. And finally, as these machines become more sophisticated, we'll confront profound philosophical questions. If a humanoid robot develops a level of intelligence and self-awareness indistinguishable from our own, what does that mean? Can it be considered conscious? Does it deserve rights? We're stepping into uncharted territory, forcing us to redefine what it means to be alive, to be sentient, and to be human. The answers to these questions will shape the future of our civilization, and we need to start the conversation now, before the future arrives at our doorstep. Imagine a world where robots help the elderly, assist doctors in hospitals, respond to disasters, or explore dangerous environments. Robots could enter burning buildings, work in toxic environments, or travel to other planets. In fact, some scientists believe humanoid robots will be essential for future space missions. They could build bases on the moon, construct colonies on Mars, and perform tasks too dangerous for astronauts. For Elon Musk, this idea is part of a much larger vision, a future where humans become a multi-planetary species, and robots could help build that future. Right now, humanoid robots are still in early development. They walk slowly, they struggle with complex tasks, and they are still extremely expensive, but technology evolves quickly. Just 10 years ago, AI could barely understand simple voice commands. Today, AI can write stories, generate videos, and control machines. In the next decade, we may see robots working in warehouses, airports, restaurants, hospitals, and maybe even inside our homes. Some experts believe the humanoid robot market could become bigger than the car industry. Billions of robots working across the planet, helping humanity build a new technological era, because they already do. The real question is, how far will this technology go? Will robots become humanity's greatest tool, or something far more unpredictable? One thing is certain, the age of intelligent machines has already begun, and the future may arrive sooner than we think.